Oh, hi. I didn't see that. So, we're going to be making some Nest. What you need is Nest tea. Let's get started. Bro, where are these? We're gonna put it on one of those three. I don't know what we're gonna put it on. Okay. So what they look like. You guys see the resemblance? Huh? A great chef always washed hand. Let's get started. Guys, we have no help. Everyone is over there, but I can still do this. I'm pretty sure I think I know the main.
Where'd you get that sweater?
This is the most, this is the important recipe to make cookies. Not funny! You can see I just beat my brother in a 1v1 Connect 4. I won 2 ways in a row. 1, 2. Quick maths. Alright, come here.
Just put him for 2 extra minutes.
So it's kind of crowded.
Just
And yeah,
little.
they look pretty good. Yep. And we're making some more. I know if you can't hear me, it's pretty loud in here. I actually can't even hear myself. If I'm yelling, I'm sorry. We have to cook them a little bit more because they're not as, like this. And not like this,
So make it not
They're supposed to look like this,
No, I don't know where that's at.
but not like this.
I mean, it's
I know where it is.
Where is this?
Wait, what is it called again? The oil?
All right,
Is it oil?
we'll see you when the cookies are ready.
Cooking spray?
So just zoom into
Cookie
it.
spray.
So while we're waiting, how was your day?
Pretty good.
Mine was
Gotta get all that oil.
all right, guys. We just finished the cookies. We put the new batch of cookies in there, and here they are. Let's see.